What the hell's going on?
There he is. What's up, dude?
Oh, not too much.
Dude, what the?
A long time,
yeah,
eh?
Looking good. This is my boy Chris. We graduated from this school together, and I haven't seen him since graduation day, which is literally 4 years ago. Thank you. Sure.
У нас есть дрон, чувак, смотри, сейчас будем мы поднимать его вверх и снимать что-то. Что именно снимать, я не знаю, потому что то, что он хочет снять, оно далеко. Но Сергей утверждает, что все долетит и все вернется обратно. Какие-то еще вопросы у вас есть?
Вопросов больше нету.
Мы рады всех приветствовать.
So we're finally in, not finally, but we are in Squamish, en route to Whistler. Spend a day there, you know.
Ты с нами разговариваешь или как?
Короче, Егор был прав. Вчера улетели вообще так далеко, что еле вернулись. Сегодня утром. Где Ивлеева, кстати? Это вопрос. Где Ивлеева?
Без понятия.
Ну позови, блин.
Не, мне больше нравится Антон Птушкин. Охеренный вообще.
Птушкин нормальный чувак, да.
Прям его видосы на ютубе так мне заходят просто. Ты знал, что тише. Подожди, не делай. Сейчас стрянем в этот ряд, а дальше делаешь.
Что, все что ли?
Да, он короткий. Да. Это да.
So right now I'm in the Vancouver terminal, Tsawwassen, going to Victoria. Fun fact, on a ferry that I delivered to Poland 3 years ago. At the time, the boat was 25 years old. It needed to go for what they call a midlife refit. And the place they chose is Gdansk, Poland. So I was on the delivery team, second mate, second officer, delivering the boat from Vancouver through the Panama Canal across the Atlantic to Poland. And in 5 months, when they did all the refitting of the boat, we would sail it back, same way we came from, to Vancouver, put it back into service. So I'm gonna see if I can get on the bridge. I don't think it's gonna be possible with COVID, but it's definitely gonna be a nice throwback to 2017.
Cardex are over to C mode. Did you talk to the baggage van yet?
They're on board.
Roger that. Departure drafts, I already put in the log. Departure call I'll do after we leave. Status of other vessels, coastal's inbound, but gotta wait for us. That's all we gotta worry about.
Sorry.
Alright, I got departure data and the departure entry. There we go. Ready?
Delta 3, upper Ferry, disconnected and free.
Got that?
Yeah. Bridge copies. Upper deck disconnected and free. Starboard lookout.
Just to coastal.
Coastal. Port lookout.
All clear, port.
Roger. Whistle, Captain.
Yes, please.
Alright.
I'll take it on the wing.
Stand by for transfer.
4 blues. Testing the pitch. I have the pitch. Thrusters. I have the thrusters. They are in parallel. I have steering to the wing.
You have all controls on the wing. Okay, we are full away. It says green. We're 2 pumps right now. 10s on the sticks. Both bell thrusters are down. New West, we saw this side of the pass, of course. So
Okay.
we got the pass all to ourselves. Only reported traffic was the C-SPAN Cavalier. You see him south on the Ectus there.
Yeah, there he is.
They're not going to make it anywhere that'll bother us. Kian's got the call.
Okay.
So just to reiterate how important it was for me to be back on that bridge, very unexpectedly. So it was a massive 2-year contract, very expensive, a lot of people involved. It was 2 ships total that were going to be delivered across the pond back to Vancouver, Spirit of British Columbia and the Spirit of Vancouver Island. Both of those ships I've delivered, so I spent a lot of time during those 2 years on that very bridge, on those very boats. So to be back in the same environment really took me down memory lane. And what I did is went back through all the terabytes of footage that I've shot during those trips, and I pulled out a little bit to include in this video just to give you guys some context and the scale of what I've experienced. And I'll probably end up making like a full dedicated video specifically for those trips because they're such an important part of my life. But for now,
Los Santos in Canada, La Vieja Spain, and the other from China. I'm not so happy with this China construction. Many Indian Caterpillar in America, but the construction is a disaster. Logic system always a problem.
yeah.
The anemometer stopped working.
Again?
Or at least it stopped feeding a code.